In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Calendar 403 error. This error can be quite frustrating, but with the right steps, you can resolve it quickly. Let's dive into the process and ensure you get back to managing your calendar smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser. If you are using Google Chrome, you can click on the Google Apps icon located in the top right corner of the browser. From there, select Calendar from the drop-down menu. If you're searching manually, simply type Google Calendar into the search bar and press Enter. This action is essential because it ensures you are accessing Google Calendar through a fresh session. A clean slate can often prevent issues like the 403 error from reappearing. Once you are on the Google Calendar page, look to the top right corner and find your profile picture. Click on it to reveal a menu. This step is important as it allows you to manage your Google account settings directly from Calendar. A visual cue for this would be the small circular icon that often displays your initial or photo. It's a straightforward but crucial step in addressing account-related issues. Next up, in the drop-down menu that appears, click on Sign Out of All Accounts. This action will log you out of every Google account currently signed in on your browser. Signing out is a necessary step to refresh your session and eliminate any potential conflicts between accounts that could be causing the error. You will see a confirmation message indicating you have successfully signed out, which reassures you that the process is underway. With that done, it's time to sign back in. This time, use only the primary account associated with the calendar you want to access. Enter your email and password carefully, ensuring you have the correct credentials. Signing in with just your primary account helps to streamline access and avoid confusion with secondary accounts. This is an important step because it minimizes the chances of further authentication issues. Another option to consider is navigating to the Chrome settings menu. To do this, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. This menu allows you to access various settings that can affect your browsing experience. Adjusting these settings can sometimes resolve underlying issues that contribute to errors like the one you are experiencing. From there, move on to privacy and security. This section is crucial because it contains important settings that manage how Chrome interacts with websites, including Google Calendar. By keeping these settings in check, you can enhance your overall browsing security and performance. Now, click on Third-Party Cookies. Here, you'll manage how cookies from other sites interact with your browser. Cookies are essential for maintaining sessions and preferences, but sometimes they can cause issues if not managed correctly. This step is vital in ensuring that your browser is set to handle cookies properly, which can mitigate the 403 error. Next, click on See All Site Data and Permissions. This option allows you to review and manage the data stored by websites in your browser. It's a helpful feature that provides insights into what data is being saved and allows you to control it. Understanding this is important because it empowers you to maintain your privacy while ensuring smooth functionality. At this point, search for Calendar in the search bar that appears. This action will filter the results to show only the stored data related to Google Calendar. Once you find it, proceed to delete the stored data. This step is crucial as it clears any corrupted or outdated data that might be causing the 403 error. After you confirm the deletion, a message will appear assuring you that the data has been successfully removed. Finally, turn off ad blockers or privacy extensions through the browser's Chrome Extensions Manager. These tools can interfere with the authentication scripts required for Google Calendar to function properly. Disabling them temporarily can often resolve access issues. Once disabled, remember to refresh your browser to ensure the changes take effect. This little step saves you a lot of time later as it helps avoid further complications. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Google Calendar 403 error effectively. If you encounter any other issues, don't hesitate to revisit these steps or consult further resources. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling!